Hey, hello YouTube. My name is Dipanjan. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your Ubuntu desktop to SSH to your Raspberry Pi. There are so many videos out there for Windows configuration, but this is something that I did recently, so I thought of sharing it. So I have my Raspberry Pi here. This is Raspberry Pi, and I recognize this breadboard to show you one demonstration of a particular program. And basically, what I've done is this USB cable goes right into the USB port of my computer, not for the connection, but just for the power supply. Okay, you can run it separately as well. So I'm going to show you how you can use normal SSH connection to remote to your Raspberry Pi and launch a desktop environment. Okay, so I'll pull up my terminal here on the Ubuntu, and the command is SSH -x and your user ID of your Raspberry Pi. This is the default user ID. Mine is Pi. If you have changed it, so you have to change it. And the IP address of your Raspberry Pi. How you can find out what is the IP address, there are separate videos out there. You can look at that. So mine is this connection. So this is the Wi-Fi connector on my Raspberry Pi, and this computer and this Raspberry Pi are in the same network, in the same Wi-Fi network. So that's how I'm able to connect to it. You can connect from the outside network, but I'll show you in a different video, maybe next week. So this is the command. So SSH -X user ID and the IP address. Hit enter, and it will ask you for a password. That's your Raspberry password, not your Ubuntu desktop password. Okay, it's not opening up because I guess my Raspberry isn't booted. So I'll just unplug the USB and then plug it back again. So give it a little time, and the Raspberry Pi would boot up. There are two lights over here, the red and the green, but there's probably no way you can know that the Raspberry Pi is booted, so you have to wait a little while. So I just get rid of this and then launch a separate terminal, I guess. There you go. Oops. There you go. I must have typed it incorrectly. Sorry about that. So the command is SSH -X, your user ID the IP address of your Raspberry, and your Raspberry password. The default is Raspberry. So right now you have logged in to your Raspberry Pi, but you don't necessarily see the desktop environment. In the Windows configuration, there are X terminals which are available, which is Xorg. But in the Ubuntu there is another one. How you can launch the desktop environment is very simple. It's start lxde. So you can see while the Raspberry desktop has um, your Ubuntu has the Raspberry desktop right now, as you can see. This is okay. So what I want to do now is show you how you can use this laptop. I'm using this laptop to basically run any Raspberry program that you have. So you don't need to plug into any monitor, or you don't need any extra keyboard or mouse. So to run a Python program, you need to run Python lxde in sudo mode. How you do it is you have to launch a terminal over there, and then basically, oops, let's see again, let's close it down. So use sudo idle. There you go. So let me just preview the program that I have here that I want to demonstrate. It's basically an email notifier. So so what it does is, maybe I'll just probably open the program to be easier to describe. So what it does is it connects to your Gmail account and finds out if there is a new email that you have received, and if you have received, I guess the green light would flash, otherwise the red light would flash. So the connection is very simple. I've leveraged on the pin number 26 and pin number 19, right? So whenever you get an email, I guess the green light would flash, and if not, the red light would flash. Okay, it's very simple. And this program takes your user ID. This is your Gmail user ID and the password. Sorry, you can see my password, but don't use it. But anyway, I'm going to change it after this. So this is my program, and what it would do is it would on here on the console, on the shell, it would show me how many emails have I got, the new emails, and if I got a new email, the green light would flash. If there are no unread emails, the red light would flash. Okay, so let's run it. So how you run it is simple. Run, I guess you know already. So right now it's trying to connect to this email ID, and as you can see in here, you have 0 emails. Right. So right now I'm going to do is, and as I speak, the red light is on now, so there are no emails, and the program is going to check every 3 seconds. Okay. This is where it is. Mail check frequency 3 seconds. So let me just maximize this, and you can see the entire program. How it works is based on this feed parser. It looks at your Gmail account and finds out if there are any new emails. So let me send myself a new email, and you'd see the magic. Okay. So go to my Gmail. That's the email, and I send myself an email. And as you see, it has got an email, and right now the green light is on. I don't know if you can see it, but there you go. All right, so this is messy. So if I read this email, there will be no new emails, right? And it would switch back to, and it would flash the red light, right? There you go. Let's do it again. Email. And the green light should flash. it's not real time, but then again it works. And if I read it, there you go. Okay, thanks for watching.